هذا حمار. Long vowel alif. حمار. This is a donkey. Next, أهذا حمار. Now it's not a donkey but a horse. So the answer will be لا. لا. هذا حصان. So we are learning a new word. حصان is one of the words used for horse. No, this is a horse. وما هذا? And what is this? As I said, wa is a conjunction word. It means and. Again, wa, there are more than one ways wa is used. One of them is to use as a conjunction. In English, it would be and. And ma, what? Hada, this. And what is this? Not man hada, not a human. So you're using ma. Hada jamalun. This is a camel. New word, jamal means camel. Hada jamalun, this is a camel. More questions? Ma hada, what is this? That's a picture of a rooster. Hada deekun. Deekun. Deek is the word for rooster. Long vowel ya, preceded by kasra. Man hada. We are back to man. Why? Because there's a human being in the picture. Hada mudarrisun. Mudarris is a teacher. This is a teacher. Last question. Ahada qamisun. Is this a shirt? No, it's not a shirt. It's a handkerchief. So the answer will be la. Hada mindilun. Mindil. Mindil. Mindil is a handkerchief. No, this is a handkerchief. So we learned how to ask ma, what, who, man, and hamza, which can be is, am, are, do. Those are the different questioning words we learned. We also learned hada, which means this. The exercise is iqra waktub. Now you know what this means. Iqra, read. Waktub, and write. So you're going to read these, you're going to write these. When you write them, I want you to put all the harakat. Qalamun. Fatha on the qaf, fatha on the lam, mim with two dammas, dammatain, tanween damma. Hada qalamun. Get into the practice of doing that, inshallah it will help. We're also going to do lesson 2 today because it's really linked to lesson 1. It's short and we can do it, inshallah. Lesson 2. Ad-darsu ath-thaniyu. The second lesson. Dars means lesson. The presence of alif lam at the beginning tells me it's a definite word. Ad-dars, the lesson. Ath-thani, it's an ordinal number. Second, the second lesson. This second lesson is about dhalika. Dhalika. It's another pointing noun. It is used to point to something that's far from us. So in English, the counterpart would be that. Dhalika, that. It's the term for it is ismul ishara lil ba'id, the pointing noun for far. The term for hada was ismul ishara lil qarib, pointing noun for near. This, hada, that, dhalika. Ma dhalika. Ma means what? Dhalika means that. What is that? Dhalika najmun. That is a star. Dhalika najmun. That is a star. One more thing, just as in hada, there's another writing thing we have to note and remember, inshallah. Dhalika. I'm elongating the sound of fatha. Dha, but I don't see the alif. Just as in hada, same as in dhalika, they don't write the alif, but it is there. They know that it is there, so we have to also learn that it's there. They just don't write it. Dhalika najmun, that is a star. Hada masjidun, this is a mosque. Wa, and dhalika baytun, and that is a house. So the masjid is closer, so you say this, hada. The house is farther, so you point towards it and you say that, so you use ذلك. هذا مسجد وذلك بيت. هذا حصان وذلك حمار. The thing that's nearer, you point towards it by using ismul ishara lil qarib. This, هذا. The thing that is far, you point towards it using the ismul ishara lil ba'id, pointing noun for far. ذلك. حصان is a horse, حمار is a donkey. هذا حصان. This is a horse. وذلك حمار, and that is a donkey. ذلك كلب became a question because Hamza came in the beginning. Is that a dog? Kalb means dog. Is that a dog? Of course it's not a dog, it's a cat. So you're going to answer with la. Hamza begs yes or no in the answer. La. ذلك قط. No, that is a cat. ذلك كلب. Is that a dog? La. ذلك قط. No, that is a cat. ما ذلك? What is that? ذلك سرير. That is a bed. Okay. Now, من هذا ومن ذلك. Remember we said man means who. Who is this and who is that? So we are wanting to find out about these two people who are in the front of each of these two pictures. The answer is هذا مدرس. This is a teacher. The first one, the black is مدرس, the black clothes. This is a teacher. وذلك إمام, and that is an imam, the one who leads the prayer. هذا مدرس, this is a teacher. وذلك إمام, that is a imam. Next question. ما ذلك? What is that? That's actually a stone or a rock. So ذلك حجر, a new word. حجر, that is a stone, that is a rock. A rock because of tanween. And then the last sentence, هذا سكر وذلك لبن. سكر, this is sugar. Sukkarun, there's tanween dhamma. The print shows only one dhamma, but actually there are two. This is sugar. وذلك لبن, and that is milk. Then there is exercise. Again, we understand very well now. Iqra, read. Waktub, and write. Read and write. Again, we will read these. هذا سكر وذلك لبن, and we will write all the harakat for us to remember the correct pronunciation of the words. Do not miss especially the last letter. The harakat on it will be tanween, dhamma, at least for now. That's what it's going to be. The last block says al-kalimat al-jadida. Kalimat, another new word we are learning. In the grammar section, we learnt the word kalimah. Kalimah, and we said it means word. Kalimat is the plural of the word kalimah. It means words. At the beginning, I'm seeing alif lam, al. That means definite, the words. Al-jadidah. Jadid is new. Al-kalimatu al-jadidatu, the new words. So these are new vocab words. Imamun, the leader of the prayer. Hajarun, the rock or the stone. Sukkarun, sugar. Labanun, milk. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, we have reached the end of our second lesson from Medina Arabic course book. Today, let's do a quick recap. We did a little bit of the introduction of what we will be doing in this course, and I said we will be doing it in 3 sections, inshallah. Section 1 will be grammar. The notes will be shared via email. You should have them printed and ready. Section 2, we will be doing a lesson, or sometimes more, sometimes less, from the Medina Arabic course book. And section 3, which I said not today, maybe some classes down the road, we will start doing a dua, either a complete or partial dua. We will do the grammatical analysis and learning the dua. Today in grammar, we talked about the 3 kinds of words in Arabic, which are ism, fi'l, and harf. We talked about ism a little bit in detail, that it has 4 properties. It has a gender, a number, it's either definite or indefinite, and it has a status. And we studied only about the first property of ism, which was gender. We said every ism in Arabic is either mudhakkar or mu'annath. By default, we will say that an ism is mudhakkar unless it can prove it's feminine. It can prove that by following into one of the some categories. If it is a word that is talking about a female, that word will be a mu'annath word. If it is a body part that occurs in pairs, ayn, yad, udhun, it is going to be a mu'annath word. If it is the plural of non-humans, it will be a mu'annath word. If it ends in certain letters like ta marbuta, mu'annath word most probably. Names of countries and cities, mostly mu'annath. And then there is a list of words because Arabs say it's mu'annath. We went on to the Medina Arabic course book 1. We read chapter 1. It taught us how to ask the question what. It taught us how to point to something that's near by using the word hada. You ask the question what by using the word ma istifhamia. You point to something near by saying the word hada. You can also ask a question using hamza, and this question will be answered with a yes or a no. The word for yes is na'am, the word for no is la. We also learned how to ask the question who by using the word man. Lastly, we learned how to point at something that's far, and the word for that was dhalika. It translates into that. And alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Please review, do the